Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about triple integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer the integration of dz, that is about z, and then we put the integration cone here. So we put the bounds from 0 to 1 over y. So I will put 1 over y cone here, number 0 cone here. So this one we have 1 over y sine y. Because we got number 0 cone here, so the bottom you got number 0. The integration of dx you got about s. So we put the bounds from 0 to y over number 2. So this one I will put in here. Number 0 I will put in here. So y divided by y, we have number 1. So we got 1 over 2. The integration of sine y, that is about negative cosine y. So I will put b over 2 cone here, number 0 cone here. This one you got number 0. This one we have number 1. So we have 1 over number 2. That is the end. Thank you for watching.